Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ziggo modem. First, carefully unbox your new modem and check that all necessary parts are inside. You should find the modem itself, a coaxial cable, a power adapter, and usually 1 or 2 Ethernet cables. Make sure you have a convenient power outlet nearby, as this will be essential for the next steps. Taking a moment to organize your components now will make the setup process much smoother. Next, let's connect the coaxial cable. Take one end of the coaxial cable and screw it into your wall outlet, then connect the other end to the data port on the back of your Ziggo modem. It is important to hand tighten these connections firmly but gently to ensure a strong signal. Be careful not to bend or kink the cable, as this can interfere with your internet connection quality. A solid connection here is key. Now, let's get you charging. Starting a session is straightforward. Simply select your chosen charger on the map and tap Start Charge. You can monitor your vehicle's charging progress directly within the app, seeing the energy delivered and estimated time remaining. When you are finished, stopping the session is just as easy. All your charging details are then saved for future reference, providing complete transparency. Finally, with your modem powered on and lights stable, open a web browser on a device connected to the modem. You should be redirected to the Ziggo activation page to complete the setup. If you experience any issues, a simple restart often helps. Just unplug the modem for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. If problems persist after trying these steps, please reach out to Ziggo customer support for further assistance. Enjoy your new connection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.